Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to find your Instagram account history on PC. We start by opening your Instagram profile. Next, click on More and then enter your activity. Here we will click on the Account History option. Finally, we will be able to see the list of actions of your Instagram account as a history. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.